So, hi everyone. This is Sadhna Goel extending a hearty welcome to all of you on this gala morning of this webinar, where the main crux is not only to get public speaking exposure to all the students, all the children, but also to discuss various important aspects of life which need to be discussed for the well-being of all the children. Right. So, as an educator, I have always believed, that language proficiency is an asset to person. Again, if someone comes to that level of confidence that he or she can speak to anyone, in front of anyone, on any topic for any length of time, naturally, a level of confidence, a different level of confidence reflects the person. So, again, this language proficiency initiates smart communications. Everybody can communicate well. But what is the line of demarcation between communication skills and smart communication skills? All right, it is the level of the speaker when one thinks out of the box and then wraps up the thought in properly structured utterances. The choice of diction is there. The deliverance is again with all articulation, with the voice modulation, with proper face expression, with body language. This is for producing the smart communication. And the consistent episodes of smart communication leads to articulate, or you can say impactful, impactful public speaking, which is the need of the hour. But public speaking, of course, is an art, cannot be developed overnight, needs to take a considerable length of time. All right. And the journey doesn't end here because a thin line of demarcation is arrogance, between arrogance and humility, between superiority complex and inferiority complex, or you can say attitude in the personality, or in the other words, that is pride versus self esteem. So, under impactful and customized supervision, the child is taken towards this journey where he becomes humble, a balanced, and a person who is there to work on himself or herself and also on others. And we need to produce such type of young generation. I hope everybody agrees with me to this viewpoint of mine.